How to share a screen with audio in Discord mobile. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your Discord application, then get logged into your Discord account. Get yourself into a voice call and you'll see a video icon, a microphone icon, and a message icon. Now, in order to share your screen with audio, swipe up the voice. As you do so, you will see an option that says share your screen. Tap it. Tap on Try It Out. In here, tap on Start Now. And this way, you can easily share your screen. Now, in order to share your screen with audio, you need to have something in your background running. It could be any audio that you would like people to listen. And just like so, repeat all the process that I showed you here. And that way, this is how easily you can share your screen with audio in your Discord mobile. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.